We proudly recognize Tata Technologies for making a difference in our community. Thank you for raising funds through Running for Hope and conducting the donation drives to benefit homeless individuals and families at Grace Centers of Hope.
Corporate citizenship. It's written into Tata Technologies' mission statement. In Detroit, home of the automotive industry, that aspect of Tata Technologies' mission takes on new meaning.
Financial crisis affected the market affected sales. There was a weeding out of people. I was given an opportunity to go, and I took it.
Fueled by mass layoffs in the industry, in 2009, Michigan's unemployment soared higher and faster than any other state.
With the bankruptcy, looming in the background, they go, okay, this whole group of managers, which was about 50 of us, total, they go, everybody that's in this level, you're going to now retire.
Positioning Tata Technologies for growth here in the Motor City, executives sought out experienced and out-of-work auto engineers.
We found some people that at the time had been let go by OEMs, not of any fault of their own, but just because of circumstances, and we've picked them up and they've been working with us ever since.
I was officially on retirement. Kevin called me a couple times. He's seen my resume out there and goes, we're working on an electric vehicle program. I think you would be good on it.
First heard about Tata Technologies when they were going to reveal or have a bit of a show around the Tata Nano. I went to the show, talked to some people, showed them my resume, and then I was offered a permanent job.
Tata Technologies leaders found that to keep the company and workforce thriving post-recession, they needed to find clients and projects outside of Detroit.
So we've actually sent some of our engineers overseas as well. So, not only do we bring the work here, we've actually also sent some of our engineers to help our clients overseas.
It's backwards from what you always hear with all the outsourcing, to India and China, and that they're coming to us.
That focus on outsourcing Detroit meant strong growth for Tata Technologies. In 2010, looking to hire 400 experienced engineers, the company held a job fair. CNN covered the story and featured Will Hall.
Sorry, I'm a little nervous.
Hall was hired that day.
They had me on a curriculum to learn certain softwares for the company, but also let me continue to use the softwares I had learned and like to use. They see a potential, and instead of saying, well, no, this is what you're going to do it, and that's the end of it. It's, well, how can we benefit from that? How can you do this? Go out and show me.
It was only after 9 months of fruitless job hunting that Hall reluctantly attended the job fair. Hall says he never wanted to work in automotive.
When I was growing up, I was not interested in it. As a matter of fact, I kind of tried to stay away from it because my grandfather was a mechanic. My father, mechanic. His brothers worked his way up to factory manager. And
that perception of what the automotive industry is prevalent among young people. According to Workforce Intelligence Network, the demand for engineering talent in Detroit is outpacing the supply.
I think there's a misconception in the automotive industry, or a misconception about the automotive industry. I think that a lot of students think that building cars is boring and it's not really an exciting industry. What they don't realize is the technology and the vehicles coming into the industry right now is cutting edge.
Labor pressure data from WIN indicates that it's far more difficult for the industry to fill jobs in Michigan than it is anywhere else in the country.
If someone has an opportunity to work here in Detroit or in Chicago or in Seattle, you look at some of the younger people that we're missing out, new graduates out of school, we're missing out because we don't offer the same amenities, the same opportunities in terms of, to live, work, and play in downtown areas.
So Tata Technologies is taking a proactive approach, getting young people interested in engineering with a program called Ready Engineer. Ready Engineer targets elementary school through college-age students. The co-op program bridges the industry talent gap by working directly with area universities.
Being able to say, yeah, I'm part of a team that's assembling this, line for one of these, one of the big three, or any other company, not just automotive. Through the I Get It program, I'm starting to understand, GD&T and the electrical aspect of all these assemblies. I'm taking that and going to be looking forward to putting it into something else that I'm actually, either automotive or whatever I'd be going for.
Through Tata Technologies' Ready Engineer, students gain real-world experience, training, and mentorship.
Yeah, my parents are very proud, ecstatic when I got this job. He was telling all his customers, everybody, that yeah, my son is working, in this automotive industry. So it's nice.
It's not an overnight fix to the Detroit area talent shortage, but as Tata Technologies sees it, a worthy investment for the future of the community.
Detroit is the home, is the place that you need to go to. There is no other place in the automotive industry.
Tata Technologies, better for our clients, better for our communities.